Welcome back. Today, we're diving into Pudge Penguin Coin's price prediction for 2026 and the latest updates about Pengu Coin. Pengu Coin has been gaining attention in the crypto space with its growing community and increasing adoption. The question is, can it reach new highs by 2026? Let's break it down. Current market overview. Right now, Pengu Coin is showing bullish momentum with technical indicators suggesting steady growth. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 60, meaning it's neither overbought nor oversold. This could indicate room for further price appreciation if the market remains positive. Key factors influencing Pengu Coin's future price. Several factors will play a major role in Pengu Coin's future price movement. Community growth. A strong and engaged community can help drive demand and adoption. Market trends. The overall performance of the crypto market will affect how Pengu Coin performs. Competition. With many meme coins and utility tokens competing for attention, Pengu Coin needs to stand out. Regulatory changes. Government policies can impact crypto prices, so it's important to stay updated on regulations. Pengu Coin price prediction for 2026. Based on technical and fundamental analysis, Pengu Coin could reach $0.05 or more by 2026, assuming continued adoption and a positive market trend. If it gains mainstream attention and secures exchange listings, we might even see a higher price target. Should you invest in Pengu Coin? While Pengu Coin shows strong growth potential, it's important to consider the risks of volatility. Meme coins can see rapid price swings, so always do your own research before investing. What are your thoughts on Pengu Coin? Can it hit 5 cents by 2026? Let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest crypto updates.